Hey guys, I'm gonna do a skincare video today. Obviously, I'm spending a lot of time inside, all my time inside. I've only been outside twice in the past month almost. So my skincare needs have changed. I'm gonna share with you my current skincare routine. This video is sponsored by Morello, which is a brand that I use all the time. Because I am aware that it is extremely privileged of me to not have been so affected as many of you are by what is happening right now, it was really important to me that if I did do a sponsored video that we use it to give back at the same time. So Morello were really generous and we've got some incredible prizes to give away to a bunch of you. And I'm also going to be doing special cash giveaways over on my Instagram. You can go check that out, and also here on this video I'll put all the information right here. So now that I've said that, this video is going to be on an at-home pamper routine. Obviously, with a lot of us being at home, there's more time to focus on our skin, and there's also some changes that should be made to your skincare routine, because now I'm not going outside, my skin is not as exposed to the elements, it's not as exposed to outdoor pollution. But I'm inside where it might be a little bit more stuffy. Maybe I'm using air conditioning or heating, depending where you are. And also, like, I'm watching so much television, I'm on my screen, my phone a lot, and that also can cause issues to your skin. So I'm gonna share with you a very extra pampering routine. First things first, I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. And I always use my face halo band for that. And then I've got this little silk hair tie by Slip. Is anyone noticing that I have to wash my hair more now that I'm not going outside? It literally gets greasy the next day. I have to put so much dry shampoo in to make my hair wash last more than a day. Like, I washed my hair yesterday, like, morning, and I already had to load it up with dry shampoo today. I'm not happy about that. Okay, now I'm ready. My skin has been pretty good. I am at the stage in my cycle where I normally get breakouts, and I've only had two, and there might be one coming up there. But whenever I do get breakouts, it's definitely normally in the hormonal area. So this has really been my only breakout in the past month, and I normally break out a lot more. Now, because I'm co-owner of Face Halo, I have extra ones of these. Something I'm gonna do is wrap it around my wrist. Kind of like when you're gonna do boxing, you protect your wrists. This is so that I don't get water on my wrists when I use the bowl. I've got like a bowl of warm water here because I didn't want to go into the bathroom. I feel like I always film in the bathroom, and I just wanted to film out in my living room today. So first thing you obviously have to do is wash your face. Obviously, you probably would normally be in the shower when you wash your face, but I'm gonna do it here. So these are protecting myself from the water running down my wrists. I was gonna use my tea treatment cleansing foam from Dr. Jart, but I kind of wanted to use the Murad prebiotic one, and I've run out of the full-sized one. This is from a little Christmas kit that they sent me. So I also use a face halo with this. First thing first, wash your face. So I've got my water here, as I said. See how even if the water runs down your hands, it gets stopped by the wrist wraps. Wash your face. And I rub it in for 60 seconds. I like this cleanser because it doesn't make my skin feel dry after I use it. I try to focus on these areas where I get clogged pores, like here on my nose, my chin, here. Using your fingers is really nice and gentle, and it can flex and maneuver your pores so that it can dislodge dirt and grime and stuff like that. So keep going, make sure you're really cleansing. Feels so good. It's kind of like a massage for your face too. Oh. I think it's actually been more than a minute. And then I'm gonna use my face halo, and I'll remove that. If you aren't in the shower to remove your cleanser, then a face halo is definitely the best way to get it off. Now, you can pat dry your skin, but I have time, so I'm gonna leave it. Now, I wanna refine and cleanse my pores. This is the Glam Glow Instamud 60-second pore refining treatment. My face is pretty much dry. So you put it on and you don't rub it in. It feels really tingly. Okay, once it's been on for like 60 seconds, I've got this Cosrx Blackhead brush, and I use that to like rub over my chin and nose area to make sure that it's cleaning out the pores. So basically this brush has really fine hairs that can reach inside the pores. I'm trying to use this time to help get a head start on my blackheads and my clogged pores, because normally I find that like if I'm wearing a lot of makeup and going outside a lot, then my pores get clogged really quick. But now that I'm inside, I'm finding that my blackheads are really minimizing. So probably because I'm not wearing as much makeup and because I can spend more time making sure they're clear. Then you can take that off with your face halo. I'm just gonna go change the water. Okay, I'm back. Now I just wanna inspect my pores and see if that helped. My skin is a little bit red after using that because it's got a tingly effect. So it's like the blood rushes to the area. Nice and clear. And then I'm gonna take my favorite mist. This is the Murad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. Now I'm gonna let the mist calm my skin while I scrub my lips. This is the Dior Lip Sugar Scrub. Just removing the excess. Now I'm gonna apply my lip therapy from Bite. Okay, now there's still a little bit of color on my skin from that treatment, but my pores look so nice and refined. So vitamin C is a very important ingredient in my skincare. For the past couple of months, I've been using vitamin C in the morning, and then I like to use some kind of retinol at nighttime. Vitamin C is an active ingredient. I've really seen a result in how even my skin is with this product because I'm prone to like a couple of breakouts here and there, and I've got some dark patches or darkness. See, like that one, that was a pimple once, and these will probably create dark spots unless I use something like vitamin C on it. This product doesn't just have vitamin C in it though, it's also got glycolic, and the vitamin C is stabilized with gold, and that is key because if you've used a vitamin C product before, after a while, if it's not stabilized, you might notice that it starts to smell a bit funky or it changes color, something like that, and it doesn't work anymore. And actually, if you look at it, see how there's two separate chambers. One is vitamin C, one is glycolic. So the ingredients are not actually being mixed until you pump it out. Glycolic, as you probably know, is an acid that helps to exfoliate the top dull layers of skin, which helps with the absorption of the vitamin C. So that helps you with uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. It also brightens the skin and gives you a really healthy, plump look. It's also gonna protect your skin from environmental damage. And that can also be like from your screens. And if you're getting a lot of screen time right now, like me, that's really important. Also, this product works with any skin type, oily to dry, normal, combo, whatever. So I'm going to apply that. It's a really nice pearlescent color. Gives you that nice brightening effect. It's nice before makeup. Smells so good. Don't forget your neck and chest. And then whatever's left, I put on the back of my hands because I feel like your hands are a place that, firstly, I scar a lot on my hands because I'm always like cutting my hand by accident. Like the other week, I got a big cut on my knuckle and I don't want it to scar. So I'm gonna put that product on there. Ta-da! Then the Environmental Shield Vita C Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. Now, I will admit, I'm lucky I don't particularly suffer from dark under eyes, but if you take a look at this serum, what I love about it is that it's a brightening yellow tone. So before makeup, for me, even someone like me who doesn't suffer from dark under eyes can use a bit of this because it's just a nice brightening under eye cream with vitamin C. Can you see how it's really brightening? I mean, that's probably from the tone of the product, but also it has little reflective micro mineral pigments that reflect the light, and it just looks really nice and bright under there. Like at first when I received this, I was like, I don't even have dark under eyes. Will this do anything for me? I was like, I don't know. But I can't stop using this now because it has that stabilized vitamin C, gold stabilized vitamin C. We'll start to fight that dark look in as little as 2 weeks, they say. And honestly, I haven't been sleeping that great. So I'm sure that if I wasn't using this, I would probably be having dark circles right now. And it also has red algae and giant kelp extract, which helps with puffiness under the eyes. So again, perfect for the morning. Okay, moving on. Now what I'm gonna do now that I have my serum on is I'm gonna take some of my fun tools. So I got this really nice Mount Lie. This is a textured roller, and I'm just gonna roll that up. And this is good for the morning because it can help with depuffing as well. And also, you know, it's just nice to work in your serum and spend some extra time on your skin. And if you've been stressed lately, I find that I clench my jaw a lot. My jaw's been in so much pain recently. So I roll extra over my jaw. Oh my God, in there hurts so much. Ta-da! And look, I also got this little jade eye roller, and I'm just gonna pat that kind of over my eye area. Just feels nice. A little relaxation. I honestly normally don't bother with this kind of thing, but now that I have the time, I'm trying to use these tools that I have. Make sure you wash them, by the way. Now I'm gonna take the nutrient charged water gel, again from Murad. Put some on my neck. The other thing that I do with my serum and my eye cream is, if I have time now, I wait like 20 minutes before I apply the next step, just because I really want to make sure that it's got time to work before I put the cream on. Something else. Then I'm gonna put that Nurse Jamie neck thing on. Look, I'm being so extra right now, but... And then this is the Nurse Jamie roller. I'm spending a lot of time on my phone, so tech neck. Let's get rid of that. You could probably use saran wrap if you don't have this. This is supposed to help absorb the cream in there. Look at this other beautiful thing I got from Mount Lie. Nah, do not disturb for like 5 minutes. That felt nice. Ooh. Ow! Woo, my skin is done. I think it looks really nice, bright, even. If you want to check out those two Murad products, I'll put the links below. You can also get these at Sephora, Ulta, and Murad.com. Look at that. If you see this little ring around the pimple, it's because last night I had a pimple patch on it, and I think it's made it go a little bit red for some reason. And it's just still there. So that's why it looks a little bit red around it. Feels so good. Now I can go on with the rest of my day. I'm probably gonna read some of my book. I'm gonna start editing this video. I'm going to check my emails, and I'm gonna watch another episode of Narcos. Me and my husband have just started watching Narcos. So, oh, and I'll cook later. So I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm really thinking of everyone that's been affected by this, everyone that's lost their jobs, everyone that's health has been affected, everyone that's scared. I just want you to know that I would like to help, and I'm doing cash giveaways on my Instagram, and Murad have been very generous with giveaways too. That will be over on my Instagram. But I will be doing some more giveaways on YouTube as well. If you saw my last YouTube video, I did 2 $500 giveaways, and so I'll be doing similar stuff like that up and coming, because I know that I'm privileged to be able to continue working, and I feel like it's our responsibility to try to support other people that need it in this time. So thank you so much for following my videos still, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I love you all so much. I'm thinking of you. Okay, bye.